Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the first two parts of question number 5, and in these parts you have to add these expressions. Now first of all, before adding these you have to simplify them, or in other words you have to open these brackets. So let's open the first case. So if I have to open this bracket, I have to multiply this p with both the terms, with p and as well as with q. Similarly here also, when I have to open this bracket, I have to multiply this q with this q as well as with this r. Same case with this. So now let's start with the first one. So p multiplied by p, we know that like terms when multiplied, or you can say when the base are same, the power are added. So when there is no power, we consider this as 1. So this will become p square. And when p multiplied by q, so these are unlike terms, means these are different variables. So this will be multiplied as p into q. Similarly, q multiplied by q will be q square, and q multiplied by r will be qr. And the third one, r multiplied by r will be r square, and r multiplied by p will be r multiplied by p. Now we have to add this. There are two ways of adding. The first is you can write this as horizontally, or you can write this as vertically. So here I am writing this as horizontally. So p square is added, this term is added with this term, because this is addition, so the sign will remain as it is, and this is added with r square minus rp. So here this is the case, and for further solving this you have to check, or you can say the addition will be possible only of like terms. But in this expression there is no like term, means there is no two terms which are similar to each other. So no further solution or no further addition can be possible of this expression. So this will remain as it is. Or if you want to write further, you can write these terms together. So p square plus q square plus r square can be written together, and the remaining, which is minus pq minus qr and minus rp, can be written together. Now similarly, let's solve this. Okay, now you have to add this and this. So before adding, what we have to do is you have to open the bracket. For that you have to multiply this 2x with all three variables, means with x, with y, with z, with x, with y. Similarly here also you have to multiply 2y with all the variables, with z, with y, with x. Now let's multiply. So 2x multiplied by z will be 2xz. Now 2x multiplied by x, the sign will be of negative, and 2 multiplied with x multiplied by x, we know that when the same terms multiplied, or you can say when the base is same, the power are added. So this will become x square. Then again there will be negative sign, and 2x multiplied by y will be 2xy. And the second term, similarly you can multiply 2yz will be the first, minus 2. Now 2y multiplied by y, base is same, so the power will be added. So we know that when the power is not mentioned, we consider it as 1. So this will become y square, and at the last 2y multiplied by this x, so this will become 2yx. So these are the two terms which we have to add. So 2xz is minus, and minus 2xy is added. Now we have to add this term. This will be 2yz minus 2y square minus 2yx. Now again, if you want to solve this, we have to search for the like terms. So 2xz is the first term. I have to check whether is there another term having x and y. So sorry, x and z. So there is no term here. So this cannot be solved further. 2x square is again a single term. There is no other term similar to this. This is 2xy, and at the last 2xy. These both are like terms, so these can be solved together. So I am writing these two together. X multiplied by y and y multiplied by x are both same things. And this plus 2yz and at last 2y square will remain as it is. Now, the terms which cannot be solved, we have to copy those as it is. But this and this can be solved because these are like terms, and minus minus is plus. So 2 plus 2 is 4 with negative sign. So this will become 4xy. This will be 2yz, and at the last this will be 2y square. So this should be the answer. So this is how you can solve these two parts. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can write us, or you can even call us. The email address and the phone number is given below in the description. Thank you.